Welcome to the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the markets were closed in observance of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. On Tuesday, the bears came out, dropping the Dow 301 points for the day. News of China's lowest rate of growth in almost 30 years weighed heavy on the markets. In earnings news, IBM beat EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $30 million. Johnson & Johnson beat EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $190 million. Haliburton beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $80 million. And Capital One missed EPS estimates by 52 cents and missed on revenue by $90 million. On Wednesday, the bulls roared back, pushing the Dow up 171 points. Investors remained optimistic that US and China would come to a trade settlement. In earnings news, Synchrony Financial had a nice day after reporting an earnings beat. The company beat EPS estimates by 18 cents and revenue estimates by $110 million. Ford missed EPS estimates by a penny but beat revenue estimates by $40 million. Proctor & Gamble beat revenue estimates by $280 million and EPS estimates by 4 cents. And Comcast beat EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $300 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 22 points. Investors turned bearish after Commerce Secretary Wilbur hinted that a trade deal with China is miles and miles away. Thursday was a big day for semiconductors after Lam Research, Teradyne, and Texas Instruments reported strong earnings. In more detailed earnings news, Intel beat EPS estimates by 6 cents but missed on revenue by $360 million. Starbucks beat EPS estimates by 10 cents and revenue estimates by $140 million. Southwest Airlines beat revenue estimates by $30 million and EPS estimates by 10 cents. American Airlines reported revenue of $10.9 billion, which was in line with analyst estimates, and beat EPS estimates by 3 cents. And JetBlue beat EPS estimates by 7 cents and revenue estimates by $10 million. On Friday, the Dow closed up 183 points. Investors pushed the markets higher after lawmakers announced a deal to temporarily reopen the government after a 35-day shutdown. In earnings news, Abbvie missed EPS estimates by 4 cents, revenue estimates by $60 million. Colgate-Palmolive beat EPS estimates by a penny and revenue estimates by $30 million. And D.R. Horton missed EPS estimates by 2 cents but beat revenue estimates by $80 million. Overall, the Dow and the NASDAQ closed up for the week. The S&P closed down for the week by 6 points. In crypto news, Bitcoin continued to drop slowly, closing our week out at $3,559 versus $3,681 of last week. Ethereum was trading at $115.14 at the time of this recording. Litecoin was trading at $32.28 at the time of this recording, and Ripple was trading at 31 cents. Crude oil closed down on the week at $53.55 per barrel. A big winner for the week, Overstock.com, OSTK, which saw a 21% increase over the week. A big loser for the week, ResMed, RMD, which dropped 19% on Friday alone. Our latest quarterly newsletter is available at civilreport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Thanks again for checking out the Civil Reports Weekly Market Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.